All right, finishing up here. You can see these guys take a while to do, and they incorporate a lot of things we've done before and also some new things. So you don't have a lot of these to do, but when you do them, it is going to take you maybe 5-10 minutes to do these. So take your time, write things out one step at a time so I can follow it, so you can follow it, and you get a better chance of doing these right. So I found the complex number first. I plugged it in the ZK formula. Notice I'm not raising anything to the n. I'm trying to go backwards. I'm trying to find roots. Okay. So now I'm here. So I got cosine 30 plus 72k plus I sine 30 plus 72 degrees k. What I want to do with that, here's it all typed out nice and neat. Here's where we are at. Now start plugging in some k values. We want 5 roots, so we're going to plug in 5 values for k. We don't want to start at a 1 though. First k we're going to look at is what happens at 0, because when k is 0, these guys go away. So the first root happens there and there. Okay? So if you go plug these in, this is what it's going to look like. And yes, this is how your answers should be. Again, you're not doing a lot of them. Okay? So the general formula on the top, start plugging some stuff in. So here's your first root at 30. Add 72. Here's your second root at 102. Add 72. Third root at 174. Add 72 at 246. Add 72 at 318. Notice everything fell within 360 degrees. Now here's a neat little thing with this. We wanted the complex fifth roots, and we're doing these on the unit circle. 360 divided by 5 again is 72. They happen every 72 degrees. So if you do this, there's 5 possible roots. So if I wanted, let's say, the 9th roots, they would happen every 40 degrees. Okay? So this is what your final answer should look like, is all this stuff here. All the roots. Okay? Usually I'll have you guys do second roots, third roots, fourth roots. Okay? Here's what's really happening. Okay, and you can ignore a lot of this stuff on here. It's something I found online first time through the course here. So this is for n equals 3. So this is third roots here. So you're basically trying to split the unit circle up into equal little pieces. So if you have third roots, one's going to happen here, one's going to happen here, one's going to happen here. Divides the unit circle perfectly up into thirds. Okay, so our idea here, we had fifths. So however you, so we have one at 30, we have one at 102, we have one just before pi, we have one here and here. Okay, so it splits the circle up into 5 equal regions. Here's where all the roots happen. Okay? So what you need to be prepared with here is the formulas, how we raise things to bigger than 1 exponents, and how we do complex roots, and kind of an understanding of we're just trying to find places on the unit circle that are, for example, fifth roots of this point right here. Okay, so this guy we started with, what are the fifth roots of that? Okay, so yeah, come with questions you guys have tomorrow, and we'll start tackling this stuff.